Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be taking a look at the MagCubic HY300 Pro Android Smart Projector, a compact portable projector designed to bring a large screen entertainment experience wherever you go. Unlike traditional projectors, this model runs Android 14, supports Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.4 connectivity, and can project an image size up to 200 inches. In this video, we'll unbox it, examine its design, and see what it offers in real-world use. Inside the box, the first thing you would find is the projector itself, securely wrapped for protection during transport. Alongside the projector is a separate accessory box containing the included accessories. Inside the accessory box, we have the Bluetooth remote control, a 60-watt power adapter, and a user manual. The remote will be your primary way of navigating the Android interface and accessing the projector's settings and applications. One thing worth noting is that the remote control does not come with batteries, so you will need to purchase those separately before use. The included power adapter delivers 60 watts of power to the projector. Unlike some portable projectors, the HY300 Pro does not include an internal battery, so it must remain connected to an external power source during operation. While the projector is relatively straightforward to set up, a printed manual is also included. The manual contains useful information regarding wireless connectivity, screen adjustment, and system settings. Now let's take a closer look at the projector itself. The HY300 Pro features a compact and lightweight design that makes it easy to carry inside a backpack, a traveling bag, or a laptop case. The front houses the projector lens, while the body features multiple ventilation openings to help manage heat during operation. Its sleek design is noticeably different from many traditional box-style projectors. Alongside the rear of the projector, you find the available connectivity options, including an HDMI input, a USB 2.0 port, the DC power input, and the power button. These connections allow you to connect external devices such as laptops, gaming consoles, streaming sticks, flash drives, speakers, and other compatible equipments. Located on the top is the manual focus wheel. This allows you to fine-tune image sharpness based on the projector's distance and screen size. The projector uses manual focus adjustment while also supporting automatic keystone correction to help maintain a properly aligned image. One especially useful feature is the standard threaded mounting hole located underneath the projector. This allows the HY300 Pro to be mounted on a variety of tripod stands. Whether you are using a compact desktop tripod or a full-size stand, the mounting option gives you greater flexibility when positioning the projector for the best viewing angle. What makes the HY300 Pro different from a standard projector is its Android 14 operating system. After powering it on, you are greeted with a clean Android TV style interface that's simple to navigate. Powered by an all-winner H723 quad-core processor with a Mali G31 graphics processor, the projector can run Android applications directly without requiring an external streaming device. If you've used the Smart TV before, the layout will feel immediately familiar. The included Bluetooth remote lets you move through menus, launch applications, access settings, and browse your installed apps just as you would on a television. Getting the picture properly aligned is also straightforward. After positioning the projector, you can fine-tune the image using the manual focus wheel until everything appears sharp and clear. Since the focus is manually controlled, achieving the best image only takes a few seconds and gives you precise control over picture sharpness. With the image focused, the projector is ready to use, and from here you can begin exploring everything the operating system has to offer. One of the first things most people would probably do is to open YouTube, and that's exactly where I started. Application navigation feels very similar to Android TV. Moving between menus is smooth, icons load quickly, and opening common streaming application is responsive enough for everyday entertainment. For a projector in this price range, the overall user experience is surprisingly familiar, rather than feeling like a traditional projector that simply displays videos. It behaves more like a self-contained smart television. Besides physically moving the projector, the operating system includes several software-based image adjustment tools. Using the projector settings, you can digitally adjust the projection angle, correct the image alignment, and fine-tune the viewing position until the picture fits your screen or wall more accurately. Another useful feature is digital image scaling. Instead of constantly moving the projector closer or further away from the wall, you can electronically reduce the displayed image size directly from the settings menu. This makes it much easier to achieve the desired screen size when space is limited. These controls give you considerably more flexibility during setup and help compensate for less than perfect projector placement. The settings menu provides access to virtually everything you need to configure the projector. You will find projector specific controls, wireless network settings, language preferences, date and time configuration, software update options, and general Android system settings. The projector supports dual band Wi-Fi 6 for internet connectivity and Bluetooth 5.4 for connecting wireless accessories. The device information page also displays useful hardware details such as Android version, available memory, storage capacity, and other system information. Like most Android-based projectors and smart TVs, the available RAM is fairly modest, which is perfectly normal for devices designed primarily for streaming media rather than running demanding applications. Installing applications. Since this is a fully featured Android projector, applications can be installed directly from the Google Play Store without requiring an external streaming device. During testing, installing software was straightforward. Simply browse the Play Store, select the compatible application and install it, exactly as you would on an Android TV or smartphone. Not every Android application will appear in the Play Store, however. Some mobile apps aren't optimized for Android TV devices, so availability depends on whether the developer officially supports large screen Android platforms. For entertainment apps, streaming services, and media players, compatibility is genuinely much better. Despite its modest hardware, navigating through menus and installing applications feels reasonably responsive. It is important to keep expectations realistic. This projector isn't designed to compete with high-end Android tablets or flagship smartphones. Instead, its hardware is optimized for media playback, streaming services, and casual entertainment, which is exactly what most users will be using it for. Within those expectations, the overall experience is perfectly usable. One aspect that does require a little patience is entering text. Because navigation is performed with the remote control, searching for application means selecting each character individually using the on-screen keyboard. This isn't unique to this projector, it is a limitation shared by most Android TV devices, but it's worth keeping in mind if you frequently install new applications or perform lots of searches. Testing casual games. To see how the projector handles more than just video streaming, I installed a few games from Play Store. The installation process was quick and straightforward, and compatible games launched without any major issues. Casual games run well, enough for occasional entertainment, although controlling them with the included remote isn't particularly convenient. For anyone interested in gaming, connecting a compatible USB or Bluetooth game controller would provide a much more enjoyable experience and make gameplay significantly easier. Overall, this isn't intended to replace a dedicated gaming console. It is certainly capable of handling lightweight Android games. Bluetooth audio performance. Power on. The built-in speakers are perfectly adequate for casual viewing, but Bluetooth connectivity makes it easy to improve the overall audio experience. Pairing external Bluetooth speaker takes only a few moments, and once connected, both the available volume and the overall listening experience receives a noticeable boost. Whether you are watching movies, streaming YouTube videos, or listening to music, external speakers help create a more immersive experience, especially in larger rooms. In a moderately lit room, the projected images remain visible and usable, although brightness naturally decreases as more light enters the room. Once the lights are turned off, however, the projector performs much better, colors appear richer, contrast improves, and the image becomes significantly clearer. Like virtually every projector in this category, The best results are achieved in a dimly lit or completely dark environment where you can fully appreciate a large screen viewing experience. Screencasting is also supported through technologies such as Miracast, AirPlay, and DLNA, allowing you to mirror content directly from smartphones, tablets, and computers. According to MagCubic, the High 300 Pro supports a projection size of up to 200 inches diagonally. The projector features a native resolution of 1280 by 720 pixels and supports 1080p content playback. It also offers brightness rated at approximately 290 ANSI lumens and a contrast ratio ranging from 3001 to 1 to 4000 to 1. For the best viewing experience, it is recommended to use the projector in a dimly lit or completely dark room where image clarity and color performance are more noticeable. Overall, the MagCubic High 300 Pro offers an impressive combination of portability, smart functionality, and large screen viewing capability at a budget-friendly price point. While the lack of a built-in battery and limited 1GB RAM may be a drawback for some users, the Android operating system, wireless connectivity, automatic keystone correction, tripod compatibility, and support for large screen projection make it a compelling option for home entertainment, travel, and casual outdoor viewing. And that's it, guys. What do you guys think about the MagCubic High 300 Pro Android Smart Projector? Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. I'd like to see you in the next video. Bye bye.